Hi everybody and welcome to another video, and today we are going to be installing the Nextbase dash cam. This one right here, this is the one we're going to be doing. Obviously the first thing you want to do is when you're installing one of these is not take it to Halfords and get them to fit it, okay, because you'll be ending up spending more money than you should do on some underqualified people to install something into your car. So first things you should do is open up the box, have a look at the instructions, see how it works. Okay, what do we have inside the box? First of all, you're going to be getting the actual dash cam itself. Actual dash cam itself. Let's have a little look. There we go. Very small, very nice. And then we're going to be getting a sticker saying that this has got a dash cam fitted. Probably best to put it in the back window, maybe. Don't know, front window. Ah, okay, so it's one of these ones, right? Okay, so it's one of the ones that plugs in to the cigarette lighter, which is going to probably be annoying for them because he's already got a charging port put into it. Even though I don't know why he's got a charging port put into it, because he's got another charging port right there. Which goes right into the car. And then we have a charging cable, probably for like when you want to connect it to the car itself. And we have a tool here, which is to probably help you remove the headlining, etc. And then we've got the actual base that sticks to the car. So this is one of the ones that plugs into the cigarette lighter. Sometimes you can have a separate cigarette lighter located somewhere, but it doesn't look like that's the case in this Vauxhall Adam, which is what we're in today. So let's take out, ideally what you want to be doing is we're going to be putting it just about here behind. Right, sorry about the dodgy angle, but at least now you get to see what we're doing with it all. So right, first of all, the dash cam itself has a little cover bit removed before use. We've got like a little cover goes in the front, and then the main sticky bit, this clips into here. Oh, it's oh gosh, very strong magnet, very strong magnet. I suppose it needs to be just in case there's a crash. So yeah, so that's how we're going to be doing that. So the camera, so here is where the cable goes. The cable goes into the side there, so we're going to want that to ideally be behind the mirror, so then it just goes directly up, and then that's still going to attach onto there like that, and then we can angle it down, as we need to from that point of view. So, oh gosh. Yeah, I'm going to go with it. I'm going to commit it. I'm going to commit it to there. And then we're going to go up. Right, there we go. So I've moved you into another position now. Now you can see what we're doing. So, to recap, from the first bit, we've installed the dash cam just underneath the mirror here, so we can see it. Now we're going to feed it up and across and then down the side, which is easy enough to pull off, which I'll show you. So, move the chair all the way back. And we'll use the little tool for now, because this is obviously, if you're doing it yourself, this is what you're going to be using. So we want to get it. That's why I like to kind of put it here, so we can sort of like run it through there, and the only bit of wire you'll see is that little bit of wire there. And then feed it all the way along. It's just enough into the crevice. So we feed it up here, just under there, and then down here you can see we've got a gap here now. Now we've just got to move this annoying thing down. You could probably just take it off, to be fair, because there's two little clips here and here to move it down. I don't really know why we've got it on, but we'll keep it on there for now. Right, it's quite easy, just feed it through, and then we'll go all the way down. And then what we'll do is, where that piece of rubber is, you just You use one finger, keep it separate, and then feed it in. You can just feed it in the rubber, to be fair. Right down the side there. Same applies down here as well. So just keep feeding it through the rubber into the doorway, okay? And we're going to be coming across. So we're going to be feeding it down this rubber, all the way down. And then you get to here, and then you can come across. It's quite strong, so you just basically give it a little tug across, and then you feed it along. And what we want to do, this bit's already come off a little bit, so this is going to be going into here, yeah? So we need to like give them at least a little bit of cable for there, and then again feed the rest of it up and behind, and then tuck the remainder underneath, okay? It was, I promise you, it was already a bit off. So there we go, so now we've ran the cable all the way from the front, from the dash cam. So we've run the cable all the way from the dash cam, all the way around the side. The only thing we've got is a little bit of cable there on display. And obviously to take it off, you just pull the camera off. And leave that on there like that for them so then they can see it. That's how you install the Nextbase dash cam. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope this helps. Easy to do yourself, really easy. Don't bother wasting your money at Halfords. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.